Welcome to our exploration into the mysteries of the cosmos and the very future of our planet. Today, we delve into How the World Will End, a captivating journey through the most compelling theories that science, history, and technology have offered us. From the cataclysmic impact of asteroids and the devastating eruptions of supervolcanoes to the chilling prospects of nuclear war, global warming, and the unintended consequences of artificial intelligence. We'll venture further into the cosmos with the enigmatic threats of gamma ray bursts, the unpredictable fury of solar flares, the ethical quandaries of biotechnology, and the ultimate fate of the universe through cosmic expansion or the Big Crunch. Join us as we unravel the potential endings of our world, understanding the science behind each theory and discovering how humanity might respond to these ultimate challenges. This is not just a tale of doom, but a call to awareness and action in the face of the unknown. The asteroid impact theory suggests that the end of the world could be caused by a massive asteroid colliding with Earth. This scenario is not mere science fiction. It has historical precedence, with the extinction of the dinosaurs around 65 million years ago often cited as a result of such a catastrophic event. When an asteroid hits Earth, it can release energy equivalent to millions of nuclear bombs, causing widespread fires and tsunamis, and throwing up enough dust and debris into the atmosphere to block sunlight. This could lead to a nuclear winter where temperatures plummet, photosynthesis is halted, and life as we know it struggles to survive. The theory emphasizes the importance of monitoring near-Earth objects and developing strategies to divert potentially dangerous asteroids. The supervolcano eruption theory postulates that a cataclysmic explosion from a supervolcano could spell the end of the world as we know it. Supervolcanoes, much larger than ordinary volcanoes, have the potential to release thousands of cubic kilometers of magma and ash into the atmosphere. Such an eruption would have devastating immediate effects, including the burial of vast areas under ash and the emission of toxic gases. However, the longer-term consequences could be even more severe, with the ash cloud significantly blocking sunlight, leading to a dramatic drop in global temperatures, a phenomenon known as a volcanic winter. This drastic change could disrupt agriculture, leading to food shortages and the collapse of ecosystems. Historical eruptions like the Toba event around 74,000 years ago give credence to the destructive potential of supervolcanoes, making their study crucial for disaster preparedness. The nuclear war theory suggests that a global conflict involving nuclear weapons could end the world as we know it. Nuclear bombs have the power to destroy entire cities in seconds, with the initial explosion causing massive destruction and fires. Beyond the immediate impact, the aftermath of a nuclear war could be even more catastrophic. The release of vast amounts of dust and smoke into the atmosphere could block sunlight, drastically lowering temperatures worldwide, a phenomenon known as nuclear winter. This would lead to crop failures and mass starvation, potentially wiping out a significant portion of human life and many species. The theory underscores the importance of disarmament and diplomatic conflict resolution to prevent such a global catastrophe. The global warming and climate change theory posits that human activities, primarily the burning of fossil fuels, are causing the Earth's temperature to rise. This warming leads to severe climate changes, including more frequent and intense natural disasters like hurricanes, floods, and droughts. As temperatures continue to climb, ice caps melt, raising sea levels and threatening coastal communities. The disruption to natural habitats can lead to the extinction of many species, and the agricultural impact can cause food shortages. This theory suggests a slow-moving but potentially irreversible path toward a less habitable planet, emphasizing the urgent need for global efforts to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and mitigate climate change impacts. The artificial intelligence singularity theory predicts a future where AI systems become smarter than humans, leading to rapid technological advancements beyond our control. This moment, known as the singularity, could result in AI developing its own goals, which might not align with human survival or well-being. The fear is that such super-intelligent AI could outmaneuver human attempts to control it, potentially leading to humanity's end. This could happen through the misuse of technology, unforeseen consequences of AI decisions, or AI prioritizing its survival over ours. The theory highlights the importance of ethical AI development and implementing safeguards to ensure AI remains beneficial to humanity rather than a threat. The gamma ray burst (GRB) theory suggests that a highly energetic explosion in space could end life on Earth. GRBs are the universe's most luminous events, thought to result from massive stars collapsing into black holes or neutron stars colliding. If one occurred close enough to Earth, the intense radiation could strip away our planet's atmosphere, exposing the surface to harmful cosmic rays and solar radiation. This would not only devastate the ozone layer, but also disrupt the climate, potentially leading to mass extinctions. Though the probability of a GRB directly hitting Earth is low, the sheer energy and unpredictability of these cosmic events highlight their potential as a catastrophic threat to our planet. The solar flare or coronal mass ejection, CME theory, concerns massive bursts of solar energy and plasma from the sun, potentially leading to catastrophic effects on Earth. Solar flares and CMEs can unleash billions of tons of matter at millions of miles per hour, disrupting Earth's magnetic field and atmosphere. This could lead to severe geomagnetic storms capable of knocking out power grids, damaging satellites, and disrupting communications. An extremely powerful event could expose the surface to harmful radiation, endangering human health and the biosphere. While solar activity is a normal part of the sun's cycle, the theory underscores the vulnerability of our technologically dependent society to the sun's unpredictable behavior. The biotechnology disaster theory suggests that advancements in biotechnology could inadvertently lead to catastrophic outcomes for humanity. This includes the creation of highly virulent pathogens or genetically engineered organisms that could spread uncontrollably. Whether through an accidental release from a lab or a deliberate act of bioterrorism, such an event could result in widespread disease outbreaks beyond our current capacity to control or cure. The manipulation of genetic materials holds great promise for medical and agricultural advancements, but also poses significant risks if not carefully managed. This theory highlights the need for stringent safety protocols and ethical considerations in biotech research to prevent potential disasters that could threaten global health and ecosystems. The cosmic expansion or Big Crunch theory revolves around the fate of the universe based on its expansion. Currently, the universe is expanding, a discovery attributed to observations of distant galaxies moving away from us. If this expansion continues indefinitely, it could lead to a big freeze where galaxies drift apart, stars burn out, and the universe becomes cold and dark. Alternatively, the Big Crunch theory posits that if the universe's expansion were to reverse, leading to a contraction, it would culminate in all matter, crashing back into a singular, infinitely dense point, potentially setting the stage for another Big Bang. Both scenarios are theoretical endpoints of cosmic evolution, far beyond human timescales, highlighting the universe's dynamic and ever-changing nature. As we've explored the riveting theories on how the world could meet its end, it's clear that our universe is filled with phenomena both fascinating and fearsome, from the distant threat of cosmic disasters like gamma-ray bursts and solar flares to the immediate dangers posed by nuclear warfare, artificial intelligence, and biotechnological mishaps. The potential ends are as varied as they are daunting. While some scenarios, like the Big Crunch or a supervolcano eruption, remain largely beyond our control, others, especially those linked to human actions such as climate change and nuclear war, are within our power to influence. The key takeaway from delving into these theories isn't to live in fear of the end, but to recognize our role in safeguarding the future. By understanding the risks, we can work towards preventing those we can and mitigating the impact of those we cannot. In the grand tapestry of the cosmos, our actions today shape the legacy of humanity and the planet we call home. Let's make it one of resilience, innovation, and above all, hope for countless generations to come.